Okay, so we've learned 4 different types of intervals going up. We've learned minor thirds, sounds like green sleeves. We've learned major thirds, sounds like, oh, when the saints go marching in. We've learned perfect fourths, sounds like here comes the bride. And finally, perfect fifth, which sounds like lavender's blue. Just to show you that again, minor thirds sound like green sleeves. Major third sounds like oh when the saints, oh when the saints. A perfect fourth sounds like here comes the bride. And then perfect fifth sounds like lavender's blue dilly dilly. Okay, so I'm going to mix all 4 of those up now. We're increasing the complexity because there's a bunch of different intervals to identify, and it's going to get harder once we start doing them descending. So we'll practice them ascending today, and then we're going to start doing downwards ones in the next ear videos. Okay, here we go. That one is a perfect fourth. Major third. Perfect fifth. Major third. Minor third. Perfect fourth. Minor third. Perfect fifth. Minor third. Major third. Perfect fifth. Perfect fourth. Minor third. Let's do 2 more. Perfect fourth. Major third.